Okay, so today we're going to talk about mask fogging. This is Mike from Kapa'a Beach Shop, and there can be lots of reasons of fogging. Sometimes fogging can be just that you bought a brand new mask and you haven't done a break-in. It can be you have an old mask and you have hard water deposits all over it. It can be you've had a mask for a long time and just one day you just start having fogging problems and it just doesn't go away. Some of these things you can easily attack and solve. Some of them take a little bit more thought and persistence to try to solve your problem. But we'll just talk about each one of these and see if we can clear up some of these for everybody. But mask fogging, if you got a brand new mask, what you want to do typically is called a break-in. Some masks have special lens coatings on them and you don't have to do a break-in. That's done for you at the factory already. Then there's masks that are just pure tempered glass, and what you need to do sometimes is help break off some of the impurities from manufacturing, like silicone that has gathered on the lens. So if you have a clear glass and you suspect there's silicone you need to break off, one way to do that is toothpaste. Put some toothpaste in your mask and literally scrub that mask with a damp sponge or a cloth all across the lens. And my suggestion is that after you scrub it, let that toothpaste dry and then scrub the dry toothpaste. And then just soap water, clean that all up, take it out for your dive, put your normal defog in, whether it be baby shampoo, whether it be spit, whether it be an over-the-counter specific product like a gel or some kind of watery viscous material. Lots of different ways that you can defog.